Hello and welcome to this edition of a news feature on health and medicine. Our focus today is on eye donation. Eyes are the best gift of God to us. About 80% of what we perceive about the world around us is through our eyes. But a considerable number of people suffer from significant impairment of vision. Eye donation is a noble cause that can help restore the vision of such people. More so in the case of people suffering from blindness due to corneal problems. Radhika Tandon, Professor of Ophthalmology and Officer in Charge at the National Eye Bank at the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, AIIMS, tells us more.
The cornea is transparent part of the eye, which is like a clear window, and it helps to focus light onto the retina, which will help us to see. In certain diseases, this cornea gets damaged and becomes white and opaque. So instead of allowing the light to pass into the eye, it gets white and the light is stopped or blocked from entering the eye. So people whose cornea is damaged due to either injury or infection, or sometimes due to diseases which are inborn or inherited, or damage to the cornea by birth, or sometimes after a complicated eye surgery where the cornea has lost its transparency. They are the ones who can benefit by having a corneal transplant.
Neeti Chaube from Delhi, a successful recipient of corneal transplantation, also speaks to us.
For both the eyes, my cornea was very thin as per the normal cornea thickness. So my left eye operated in 2009 and the right eye 2010. And the vision was very clear. I can see the things very clearly. Even I can think of my further study.
Professor Radhika Tandon says that poor sight and age doesn't make much difference if you wish to donate your eyes.
Generally, corneas from children who are less than 2 years of age, they are a little difficult to handle. So therefore, some eye banks, they have donation of people above the age of 2. However, that is not universal. So therefore, one doesn't really have any age restriction. Similarly, on the other side, if a person has diabetes, high blood pressure, wore spectacles, even if the person had had cataract surgery, if the cornea is healthy, the eyes can be donated. There are few people whose eyes cannot be used for transplantation. They are the patients who may be suffering from AIDS or have infection of hepatitis B or hepatitis C, or if the patient has died from blood cancer like leukemia or lymphoma, or if the patient has died where there is infection in the blood like septicemia.
There are many myths and misconceptions regarding eye donation. Professor Tandon emphasizes the need for awareness to dispel these wrong notions.
They are afraid that there will be a disfigurement of the face. Another thing is people are afraid that in the next life, if you believe in life after death, they may be born without sight. And third is that people feel that the eyes may not be used. So for that, one would like to explain that if you really go into all religions say that helping another human being is a good thing.
How can we donate our eyes? Professor Tandon explains the procedure.
The procedure of eye donation is done with the consent of the relatives, and it is done after death. If somebody now would like to donate the eyes, then you can fill up a pledge form. And pledge form is available on the website of Eye Bank Association of India, also many websites. So one can download a pledge form, fill it up and submit it. One near relative, they should be informed that this is my wish and please help me by forming the Eye Bank after my death. The other thing is that after the death, the relatives should as soon as possible inform the eye bank so that they can come and harvest the eyes at the home itself, and this should be done definitely as far as possible within 6 hours.
Agra-based NGO Antardrishti is carrying out various awareness programs on eye donation. A team member of the NGO, Prashant Tandon, tells us more about these activities.
We are using the creative platforms to spread awareness. So we are annually conducting few competitions and contests which is open for everybody. That is called Drishti, and we had conducted Drishti 2011 Film Festival. We had film entries, we had design entries, we had poster entries and audio jingle entries. The common theme was to promote eye donation, and we've received excellent entries, and we've given awards also, and this year also we are inviting entries.
One can spread light in the world of darkness by donating one's eyes. If you are willing to donate your eyes, you can call on the countrywide toll-free number 1919 from any landline or mobile. This will connect you to the eye bank nearest to where you are located. That's all in this edition. Priyanka Arora for Feature Service.